What's up everybody? In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install software on Apple computer. First thing, you need to download the software that you're trying to install. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use TeamViewer for Mac. I'm going to download it. By some reason, I'm not getting a pop-up to download the software, so I'm just going to click on direct download, and it's downloading right now. Once your installation done, you can double click on your DMG file. You need to double click in the middle of this pop-up box on your installation. In this pop-up box, you'll just need to go through initial setup. So click first time continue, then look for licenses, continue one more time, then install. And right here, you'll have to put your credentials and then click install software. And once installation is done, usually it's gonna start up software automatically. And that's it. With a few clicks, you can easily install any software on your Mac computer. Thanks for watching.